Let me tell you the thing nobody warns you about when you start trading options. The hard part isn't being right about where a stock goes next. The hard part is finding something worth trading in the first place. Sitting there staring at thousands of tickers with no idea where to even begin. That's the wall almost every beginner hits. So today, I'm not handing you a hot stock or a prediction. I'm handing you 3 scans built for high probability option trades, and each one is built for a completely different read on the market. And the cool part is that, as you will see, you won't necessarily need the underlying stock to move to make money. Hi, I'm Liav from Option Samurai. If you've ever felt that blank screen paralysis, this video is going to change how you start every trading session.
Here's the whole idea in one sentence. When you want high probability trades, you are generally looking for 3 cases: a stock drifting up off a dip, a stock going sideways, or a stock pushing higher in a bullish phase. If you think about it, these are pretty common cases in the stock market. So if this is generally what you observe, why not try to make some money from common sense? You may have already spent hours and hours watching videos from trading gurus on finding the next big thing in the market. I've never liked those videos since I've never really found any value there. So today, I'm not handing you a fish, meaning that I won't give you a one-off trade for which you'll need me again next week. I'm handing you the rod so that you learn how to fish yourself. Once you can run a scan, you never stare at a blank screen again. You'll always have ideas. You become the person who finds the trades, not the one copying a guru's screenshot without really understanding it. Okay, so let's start with the simplest scan. Scan 1 is for when a stock you like has been beaten up. It's oversold, it's dipped, and for whatever reason, you believe this stock price will bounce up, or at least it won't fall much further. Instead of buying the stock and hoping you sell a put below the current price, you collect a premium up front. If the stock stays above your strike, which on a high probability setup is what usually happens, that premium is yours, and the option expires worthless. And if it does keep dipping, you may get assigned. This essentially means you will buy a stock you already wanted at a lower price, having been paid to wait. There's really no bad outcome as long as it's a name you'd genuinely be happy to own. I have one rule you may want to add to your trading toolkit. I'd suggest you sell a cash-secured put rather than a naked one, and do it only on stocks you are actually okay owning in your portfolio. Oh, and if you're not too happy about the fact that this strategy caps your profits, I have a cool trick to remove this limit in the 3rd scan. I'll show you. Okay, let's actually see how our scan works. First, I head over to the predefined scans. Up at the top, I click the high probability tag, and here's the one we want. It's called Sell Out of the Money Puts with High Probability of Profit on Stocks that are Oversold. What it looks for is simple: stocks where the RSI, a common technical analysis indicator, is below 30, and it only keeps companies that are fundamentally solid and still growing. Now, how many results you get depends on the market. Some days it's a long list of names, other days just a couple. But either way, these are high probability put trades on good companies that are oversold right now. Take a second to look through them. These are real setups you could actually trade. The next scan will work for those times where the stock isn't screaming up, isn't falling apart, it's just chopping around. Most people sit that out, but that's exactly when an iron condor shines. You sell a call spread above the price and a put spread below it, collect a net credit, and you win as long as the stock stays inside that range by expiration. Both sides have defined risk, so you always know your worst case going in. Push the short strikes further out, and the range gets wider and safer. You just collect a bit less. Here, no real market direction is needed. You really want a stock to go nowhere, and while we're here, we have a video that explains the iron condor on our channel, so feel free to go check it out at the end of this one. So here is the scan I like. I click the high probability tag again, but this time I pick a different one. It's called High Probability Iron Condors. This scan looks for iron condors with more than a 70% chance of max profit. It only keeps trades with positive expected value and a good return on risk. The profit zone is wide enough in each direction, and we use the average true range, or ATR, to control it. In plain terms, that's a comfortably wide range for the stock to sit in, and there are almost always plenty of trades here. So you see me click through a few of them. Look at the range on this one. Each of these gives you a net credit that you collect up front, and the probability of profit is theoretically nice. Every one of these trades is good if you expect the stock price to go nowhere for a while. Last one, and this is a very cool setup. Remember how I told you that there's a way to uncap the profits of your short put in the first scan? Here we go. Imagine there's a quality company you genuinely love to own. It's trading at a price you think is a bargain, and you want a cheap way to bet on the upside. So you sell 2 puts below fair value, and use a part of that premium to buy 1 call. The second put basically pays for the call. If the stock climbs, that call gains. If it just sits there, you keep the premium. And because there's a real business underneath, and you're holding the call for the upside, this one is generally very nice to do on a longer time horizon, while the first 2 scans are probably more short-term oriented. Honestly, it's a great structure for buying the dip on a name with real value, a company that's actually worth something. And the 2-to-1 ratio is just an example. You can actually do it with 3 puts and 2 calls, or play with any ratio to fit your conviction. Just notice that selling 2 puts means roughly double the downside of a normal short put trade. If that stock really tanks, you're on the hook for twice as much shares. So size it small, and only ever do this on a company you'd be happy to own. And if that doubled risk makes you uneasy, just drop back to scan 1 and sell a single put. So let me show this scan in action. You know the drill by now. Go to the predefined scans and click the high probability tag. This last one is called adjusted risk reversal. It sells 2 out-of-the-money puts to finance buying 1 out-of-the-money call, and it does that for a net credit, so you actually get paid to put the trade on. It's built for when you're bullish or just neutral on a stock. You collect premium with a high probability of profit, but you still keep that unlimited upside from the call. It also screens for liquid names with good option pricing and real upside potential. There are usually a good number of these to look at, so let me click through a few. Notice the net credit on each one and the room it leaves for the stock to climb. These are trades that pay you now and still bet on the upside later. If this is a strategy you did not know and we helped you discover it, like the video and subscribe to our channel to keep getting cool options trading ideas in the future. I also suggest you think of the whole option screening exercise this way. We didn't force a single trade. Once you've got scans like these, ideas are easy. You'll have more than you can take. So you get to be picky. You wait for the setup where everything lines up and you pass on the rest. Finding trades stops being the hard part. Choosing well becomes the skill. Do you have a cool option strategy in mind that you'd like to check when screening the market? Leave us a comment. We're always happy to see the trading community ideas. Also, as you noticed, all these scans are under the high probability tag on Option Samurai. I want you to think of high probability as something different from certainty. A scan finds you good odds, not guarantees. Every one of these can lose. Just like when fishing, you won't always be lucky with the fish you get. These are examples to learn from. The rest of the trade consists of doing your own research on the underlying ticker before you risk $1. Feel free to try Option Samurai for 2 weeks for free. I think the 3 scans I gave you today are a very good place from which you can start. See you in the next one.